Hey guys, how's it going? How to get and install PGSharp on iOS devices. PGSharp is an app designed for Android devices and is not available for iOS. However, if you are looking to use a similar spoofing apps on iOS, here's a general guide. You could use the jailbreak your device. Many spoofing apps requires a jailbroken iOS device. Note that jailbreak can avoid your warranty and pose security risks. You could use Cydia. After jailbreaking, install Cydia, a popular package manager for jailbreaking iOS devices, and you can find the spoofing app. Search Cydia for Pokemon Go a spoofing app such as iSpoofer or Pokemon Go++, and you can follow the instructions in Cydia to install the spoofing app, and then open the spoofing app, configure your settings, and then start using it with Pokemon Go. Note spoofing is against Pokemon Go's terms of service, and it can result in your account being banned. Proceed with caution. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.